Are you wondering why your Facebook ads account was disabled? It could be due to violating the Facebook advertising policies. Make sure to read and follow the policies carefully. Some common violations include promoting illegal products or services, using misleading ads, or having a low-quality landing page. Facebook may also disable your account for suspicious payment activity. It is important to use a legitimate payment method and avoid using prepaid cards or third-party payment services. If your account has been disabled, it is crucial to review the reasons and try to rectify the issue. You can submit an appeal to Facebook within 30 days of the account deactivation. Provide a detailed and honest response, and try to show how you will prevent future policy violations. It may take several days or weeks for Facebook to review and respond to your appeal. If your account remains disabled, avoid creating a new account as this may lead to permanent bans. Instead, seek help from a Facebook marketing specialist or expert to guide you through the process. Remember, Facebook ads are a valuable marketing tool that can help grow your business, but it is important to adhere to the policies and guidelines to avoid account deactivation.